what you been up to?
Nothing, man. Just get my suit ready for work tomorrow.
Are you going to work tomorrow?
Yeah, I got like this presentation where I got this stuff ready.
Oh, well.
Yeah.
Pack your shit, bruh, cause we going camping.
I mean, damn, I would love to go, but
Hey, what up?
Yo.
Pack your shit. We going camping, baby.
There you go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Street heat, get 'em.
They meet up. Got your flashlight with you.
Hey, yo, alright, so we just got here. It's kind of chilly right now, but we unpacking the whip. Gonna get the tent set up, get a fire going, you know, warm up the hands. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's gonna be a good time.
Get this in there somehow. That's how I start off. It's like me.
Yeah, we almost thought we only had 2 sleeping bags and it's 3 people.
Yeah, y'all thought I had 1 glove, but I got 2.
Alright, y'all, about to teach this guy right here how to set a tent up. Oh, don't hit him with it. Hit him with it, hit him with it.
In the kitchen, wrist like a stir. Like gangster walking out.
Alright, y'all, we about to set the tent up.
Oh, is it facing the ground though?
We gotta move the tent because the ground is leaning that way.
Film us moving it, Josh.
Oh, I got you. Go ahead, keep going. Alright, man. We got the tent. We got tent poles. The camera stopped recording, but we back, baby. Alright, so the tent put together.
Yeah.
We still waiting on the ranger to come out here so he can give us all our permits and stuff.
You need a permit?
Yeah, we got a permit because we black in the campground, so we need a permit for that.
Oh, makes sense.
Camping while black. But we're about to go get these boys looking for some firewood. See if we can start us a fire.
Yeah.
Oh, I just kicked the marshmallow stick. Alright, so basically to start the fire, we need like little tiny stuff first. So just pick up all the little tiny stuff you can find. And when I'm talking about tiny, I mean tiny. Yeah, all that. But smaller than that on the low. Next level marshmallow stick. Brian, bro, you might as well find you a marshmallow stick, cuz. How long you think before I got this tripod in the middle of this road, somebody hit it? I really don't want to get in trouble with the forest ranger because we black. And I hadn't seen a black person in about 5 hours. And we left Myrtle Beach 4 hours ago, so that'll tell you.
Whole lot of stick shit.
You in focus? All right, now we're looking for big shit. We got all the little shit. Looking for big shit now, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Uchi sauce. Go ahead, Big Daddy.
Woo! Oh shit. Big shit. You know? Gotta stay warm around here somehow.
Alright, that should be enough on the look.
I gotta break it down.
Oh, get that big stick, we're gonna break it down here.
This one?
Yeah, that big log. The other one, the big log. Actually, bring both of them just in case. Alright, now, we're gonna break some of these logs and have that a little too big to get in the fire pit, baby. We're gonna say that was the last. That's it. Oh, this shit good.
Like you said.
Usually don't want wet wood, but we ain't really got a choice. Wet wood smoke up a lot, but you know, it's getting a little chilly out here.
Oh shit. Well, there we go.
Make my marshmallow stick.
Yeah, it is. There you go. Get it one more time. One more time. Yeah! So Byron decided to burn his old rap book. It's got a whole lot of rhymes in it. And he say they fire, so hopefully this shit go kill. Oh. Come on. Shit out here is a lot wetter than I expected. Like when I went to your girl house, you know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all hear me?
I didn't get you saying smoke, so y'all man cool. I'm about to ruin my image.
Videos up to no good.
Y'all boys decided about climbing this mountain tomorrow.
You said what? Decided?
Y'all boys decided about climbing this mountain tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
What type of climb you talking?
It ain't gonna be too hard. It's about 8:30, I think. It got way colder last night than expected. On the forecast, the shit said 30 degrees. It got down to like 15. All my camera equipment batteries is dead because it was in the car, so it was just cold as hell. So I'm in the bathroom charging everything right now. And yeah. So Byron, how cold was it last night?
It was spicy cold.
Let me get a glimpse of these gloves over here. Frostbitten.
Damn.
So Uchi, bro, you was you the head fire starter in the camp.
That's me.
You getting the fire starter right now. How important is this fire to us survive?
It's extremely important to see.
It's our last hope.
I'm biting not producing that much heat right now because it's cold as shit. So
It's honestly our last
but we gonna
hope.
fix that with nature's own heat.
It's cold as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Walking up the mountain today.
Okay.
Should be a good time.
Okay.
Hopefully it ain't too chilly.
Put the morning chili outside too. God damn, hold on.
Cardio section.